EasyVid presents the 10 best bridge cameras. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you want to get an eye full of faraway animals or even the moon, the Nikon Coolpix P1000 may be able to help thanks to its 125 times optical zoom. It has a powerful vibration reduction system and is capable of shooting in RAW mode for brighter and more easily edited results. It offers Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. However, it is a somewhat bulky construction, and the autofocus isn't very reliable. At number 9, the Canon PowerShot G3X delivers some of the best close-distance stills in its class at a price that runs about in the middle of the pack. Its 1-inch sensor sits behind a lens whose clarity is greatly increased by its shortened focal length. It features anti-distortion processing and a rear screen that flips for selfies, but its optical zoom is below average. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Sony HX400V takes crystal clear pictures in a variety of environments and performs better than most in low light thanks to its powerful Exmor-R sensor. It's also able to tag photos with their GPS location, making sharing and archival simple. It includes a lock-on autofocus and a smart panorama function. However, it can't record 4K video. At number 7, a lightweight body with a deeply cut grip makes the Canon PowerShot SX70 particularly easy to handle. Its autofocus moves quickly to prepare you for shooting, and its electronic viewfinder is a pleasure to use, though it doesn't have an automatic eye sensor. It does offer good image stabilization and is capable of RAW capture, but there's no slow-motion video. Moving up our list to number 6. The high-performing Sony CyberShot RX10 IV is the latest generation of the original crossover camera. It has an advanced motion tracking system as well as an ultra-fast 24 frames per second burst mode, though it is somewhat bulky to hold. It features a high-end LCD touchscreen and is ideal for wildlife. However, it costs as much as a DSLR. Halfway up our list at number 5. With image quality that meets almost anything available, the Panasonic Lumix FZ1002 is a good alternative to a costly mirrorless setup. It combines control nearly as intricate as that of a DSLR with the price and convenience of a hybrid model. It boasts a 20 megapixel sensor, 4K video at 30 frames per second, and an extended aperture range. At number 4, the Nikon Coolpix B700 makes life easier by automatically switching from screen to viewfinder as you bring it to your eye. Add in a 60x lens with a maximum 1440mm focal length, and you end up with a powerful and user-friendly device. It's great for off-angle shooting and supports Bluetooth Low Energy. It's great value for the money. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. With a price far less than many point-and-shoots, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80 really does bridge the gap between beginner and high-end equipment. It's outfitted with enough useful features and in-depth control to serve as a worthy backup for professionals. It responds quickly to inputs and features an extremely fast autofocus and a 20mm wide-angle setting. At number 2, Panasonic's Lumix FZ2500 relies on the combination of a 1-inch 21 megapixel sensor and clear Leica glass to deliver crisp images. With features like cinema gradation profiles and time-lapse, it's ideal for budding videographers. It includes built-in neutral density filters, an articulating touch display, and frame-by-frame 4K stills. And taking the top spot on our list, the Sony DSLR RX10 III offers one of the highest video frame rates available, capturing up to 960 frames per second in Full HD for a dramatic and blur-free slow motion effect. Its 600mm aperture and powerful backlit CMOS chip help uphold its strong legacy. It boasts an anti-distortion shutter action and built-in post-processing. It doesn't use pixel binning.